How to fix Worcester Boiler EA 227 fault code. First, check that your gas supply is working. Check whether another gas appliance, such as your gas hob, works normally. If other gas appliances are not working either, the problem may be with the gas supply rather than the boiler. Step 2. Check the condensate pipe. If it's cold outside, check the external condensate pipe coming from the boiler. A frozen condensate pipe can cause the boiler to shut down. Worcester specifically recommends checking this in cold weather. If it is frozen at ground level and safely accessible, thaw it with a hot water bottle, warm cloth, or hot but not boiling water. Step 3. Reset the boiler. Use the reset button on the boiler. On Worcester Green Star models covered by the manuals, pressing the reset control causes reset to appear. If successful, the boiler returns to normal operation. Step 4. Wait for the boiler to restart. Give the boiler a couple of minutes to go through its ignition sequence. If the EA227 disappears and the boiler fires normally, you're done. But if the error comes back, the reset has not fixed the underlying problem. Worcester's manual says that if the fault code returns after resetting, a service engineer may be required. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.